Simon here, aka the Ginger Juicer. And she doesn't need any explanation.
No.
What's your name?
Holly.
Holly. Okay, so today we're going to do a little blend using the new the new Froothie Evolved blender I've got here.
Smell, you got here.
That's it, it's perfect. So this is a new vacuum blender.
Yes.
It's wicked. It's actually a Bluetooth one. Bluetooth one, it does soups, nut butters. I've only had it about, well, just a couple of weeks now, so I'm still getting to grips with it. But the blend you can do this is amazing. The vacuum technology is incredible. Basically, what it does is it sucks out any of the air from within the blender, then blends the fruit and veg together, reducing oxidization, which means that your blend's going to stay fresher for longer.
And good Holly.
And what's it?
Holly.
I'm Holly, yeah. But it keeps it fresher for longer, which...
And then Faulkner-Barrett.
You are a Faulkner-Barrett. Fresher for longer, which basically means that you've got more nutrients in it, more enzymes, is better for you. So we're going to wrap one up today. We've got kale, spinach, let me show you here, kale, spinach, bit of celery, some pineapple to sweeten it up, wheatgrass, some maca powder, and also some matcha tea. Wheatgrass, that's good stuff. So basically this particular blend is really green, which means it's rich in chlorophyll, which is basically energy from the sun to the plants, long and short of it, which helps produce ATP, which is basically cellular energy. So it's fantastic, that is. Can you load this up for me, babe? Please, can you load up the blender? So what have we got here, darling? Tell me what we got.
Pineapple.
Pineapple, yeah.
Spinach.
Spinach. And what's this stuff here?
I don't know.
Kale. Kale. Okay, so you put all that in there for me, please. Now, the important thing when doing a blend is that you have enough fruit and veg here, preferably more vegetable than fruits, which you can you'll be able to consume within, i.e. eat through the mouth within about a 10 to 15 minute period. So you don't want to put too much in there, and you want to make sure there's more liquid in there, so it's not like a gloopy baby mess. Okay, so you carry putting that in babies for me, please. I'm probably going to make about 2 or 3 out of this particular one here. There we go. So if you put that in, please, for me. That's going in there, lovely. Wheatgrass shot. Boom. Boom. Okay, let's get this in. Now, it is quite noisy. Sorry, sweetheart. Oh.
It is quite noisy.
It is quite noisy, isn't it? And what we'll try and do is we'll skip that forward. So, here we go. It is worth spending a bit of money getting a decent blender, especially when blending like kale, because it does really whip it up. Right, okay, so we're good to go. So this is the vacuum working. It's going to suck everything out. It does last a couple of minutes, so what I'm going to do is hopefully speed this up so you haven't got to listen to it. Yeah, so that's all done. So, no, babe, I'll tell you what you can do. You can press that button for me. Press that button there for me, darling. And again, so keep your finger on it. And you can hear that as the oxygen comes out from the vacuum. Or the vacuum's released, should I say. There we go, so let's take this off.
Can I have something?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Hello. Oh. That's the Bluetooth talking to us. I haven't set her up yet. So, here we go. Pour over some ice. There we go, sweetheart. Let me know what you think to that.
It's pretty tasty.
Pretty tasty?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Shall we go cheers? Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Bye.
Lovely.